What if you could literally wake up to a stronger, more recovered body every single morning? That feeling of renewed strength isn't a fantasy. It's a biological possibility most of us are missing. And a huge reason why is a common, well-meaning mistake we all make before bed. Many of us take a magnesium supplement at night and think we're doing enough for our muscles. The truth is, that strategy is incomplete. Today we're talking about the two vital nutrients that actively construct muscle tissue during your deepest sleep. If you care about strength, want to slow muscle aging, or are tired of feeling sore, stay with me. For years, experts in natural health have pointed out that true repair happens after dark. The real heroes of this nighttime process aren't what you typically hear about. Why sleep is your body's prime repair window. You don't actually get stronger in the gym. Exercise creates stress. It forms microscopic damage in your muscle fibers. That damage is a signal, a request for your body to rebuild itself better. But the construction site opens only when you rest, specifically during deep sleep. This is when growth hormone floods your system, stress hormones drop, and your body enters its prime repair and renewal phase. If you don't supply the right building blocks before this window, you're leaving gains on the table every single night. This is why the supplement world is so focused on recovery. Magnesium is popular for a reason. It helps muscles relax. But relaxation isn't the same as reconstruction. Relying on it alone is like trying to build a skyscraper with just a wrench. Useful, but far from sufficient. Your physiology needs specific agents to trigger protein synthesis and cellular repair during those quiet hours. And that's where these two overlooked vitamins step into the spotlight. The two overlooked nighttime powerhouses. Number 1. Vitamin D. Think of vitamin D as the foreman of the muscle construction crew. It directs critical minerals like calcium, ensuring your muscle fibers can contract and rebuild efficiently. Research indicates that optimal vitamin D levels at night can enhance your natural output of growth hormone. It also helps regulate your sleep cycle, guiding you into the deeper stages where repair peaks. Number 2. Vitamin C. We know vitamin C for immunity, but its nighttime role is different. It's the master repair technician for collagen, the protein that mends those tiny tears in your tissue. Consistent intake has been shown to reduce exercise-induced inflammation. It also acts as a cellular guardian, protecting your muscles from oxidative damage while you're at rest. How they work together and why timing matters. So how do they work in concert? Vitamin D initiates the building process, the protein synthesis. Vitamin C provides the repair materials, the collagen framework. Taken in the evening, especially alongside some protein, they create a recovery environment magnesium can't match on its own. Why take them at night? Because that's when your body's repair machinery is most active. You're delivering raw materials right to the factory floor as the shift begins. The benefits extend beyond the gym. Improved sleep quality, robust immunity, less next-day soreness. A powerful defense against age-related muscle loss. How to implement this strategy? For vitamin D, get it from sensible sun exposure or a quality D3 supplement. Please consult your doctor for the right dose. For vitamin C, get it from foods like bell peppers, citrus, and strawberries, or from a modest supplement. The key is timing. Pair them with your evening meal or a protein-rich snack. Stop just relaxing your muscles at night. Start rebuilding them. Give your body what it truly needs after dark. Try this approach, and within weeks, you should notice a tangible difference in how you feel each morning. Your deepest sleep is your body's most powerful workshop. Final words. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like. It truly supports the channel. What's your evening routine for recovery? Let's talk in the comments. And subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle for more science-backed strategies to upgrade your health.